Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this Mickey Mouse wreath out of things you can get at the dollar store. Well, mostly at the dollar store. First up, you're going to need a normal size wreath frame and these two mini ones. I'm going to be wire tying them together. This I mostly did in hopes of just keeping them together, but I'm sure there's a more efficient way to do this. The reason I say that is because they really flopped around and I had to add a lot of additional ones and still had to hot glue them together. So I think possibly using a piece of wire may work better, but I didn't try anything else, so I don't really know. As you can see here, I added another wire tie and then hot glued it all together. It was a lot sturdier here than it was with just the two, so this does work. The only thing for this project I didn't get at the dollar store was the garland, because the garland at the dollar store isn't that great, and I don't think that it would have been worthwhile getting like literally 50 pieces of this really cheap garbagey garland. Because we have to wrap the garland around the ears, I cut off a small piece, what I assume was enough to wrap around the entire earpiece, and then cut it off so that way I could actually fit it through the hole. I then hot glued it onto the frame as best I could and started wrapping it around. Once I had gone all the way around, I hot glued it on and started with the other ear. I then took the rest of the garland, wound it up into a ball, hot glued the end on, and started wrapping it around the base of the frame. Now that the wreath is ready, it's time to decorate. These Christmas ornaments and string of bells, I believe I actually got at the dollar store last year, but this project that I'm doing here can pretty much be done with any small ornament or bells and Christmas ornaments. So what I'll be doing is I'll be taking two of the bells and one of the ornaments and hot gluing the bells on like Mickey ears. Now that all that's left to do is to figure out where I want to put them on the wreath. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough bells to make all of the little ornaments into Mickey heads, but I still used the rest of them anyway. also picked up these little gold and silver sparkly foam balls that I'll be using on the wreath as well. Once I like how it looks, I start hot gluing everything on. Once everything was hot glued on, I actually went back and started hot gluing on more of the gold and silver balls because I felt like it needed some more. And last but not least, his hat. The hat was a little too big to fit in between the ears, so I actually ended up folding a piece in the back to make it fit. Fluff up the hat a little bit, and that's it, we're done. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos. Bye!